Alright, good afternoon everybody. This is a live severe weather briefing. I am Vice Forecaster USA, not USA, but hold on a second. Okay, good afternoon everybody. I'm Illinois' Senior Forecaster, Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. We just have a tornado warning in process right now, so we'll zoom into this pink box up here. This is a tornado warning for central Henry County in north central Illinois. So this is in the Weather Service in the Quad Cities. At 3:43, a confirmed tornado was located near Gasso, or 7 miles south, 7 miles north of Columbus Bridge, moving at 20 miles an hour. Let's see. Law enforcement have confirmed a tornado, so this is the time. Get centered, get covered. You're under a tornado warning up here. Radar indicated this storm just popped up. So yeah, there is some decent shear up here, folks. Goodness gracious. We're starting to indicate very strong wind shear. We're starting to get... Let me take a picture of this here, because this can go in the storm community. Instead, this tornado is on the ground. So hold on just a second here, folks. Let me see if I can get in on here or not. Alright, meteorologist Aaron said this is a land spout tornado. I mean, this forms on the ground pretty quick. We get these many times when they do form like this. So that just tells you we do have some wind shear with this. Just checking through here. So we do have a tornado. This is pretty decent tight. This is tight wind sheared. And let me take a picture of this really quickly. Just a second here. Hold on a second. It goes to another 3 minutes, and that will expire. We'll probably go back off, but we'll have to watch these other sails. But like I said, these storms are very tight, and I'm going to show people in storm community that little tight spot there. And you can see that very strong tight. See, folks, that is very tight. So you're in the tornado warning. Now's the time to shake your tornado plan of action and take your tornado precaution areas right now. So go to the lowest floor of a building and take cover immediately. This is a tornado warning that goes through about 4 o'clock. This would expire at 4 p.m. today. This tornado warning will be lifted. And don't know, we'll decide to go back off the air. This all depends what happens with the situation, but that is a very tight storm. So right now, we'll pull up our correlation thing just to see if we have any debris aloft. Don't see any with the pink. Could always mean it doesn't always have to be that blue color. This doesn't really have many shared with that. So this is a tornado warning that goes through 4 o'clock. Starting to see very strong signs of rotation. So definitely you want to be in your tornado safe spot. Put many walls between you as possible. Very little hail, but this storm over here we have to watch. This is another severe thunderstorm warning, range effect of 415 for Henry County. At 3:53, a severe thunderstorm is located in your Wood Hall or near Columbus, moving at 15 miles an hour. Hazards: golf ball size hail and 60 miles of wind gusts. So this storm is mainly for large hail, and you can see the marker popping up. We can see hail over 3 inches. That just what it probably not falling, but this storm has a little rotation with that, so we have to watch that. And hail is very large with this, probably up to golf balls, and that's very large hail. So we want to stay with you as long as we have the tornado warning in place, because we got a lot of people probably watching from this area. And tape markers off. We'll animate this once again. About another minute, the tornado warning will get expired. Then I got questions here. What about a land spout tornado? That's what it is, Josh. That is a land spout tornado. So thanks for the question. Got people, where is this at? This is in Henry County, Illinois. It's getting ready to expire eventually. Henry County is near Goshen. Yep. We got east of the Quad Cities, and people say thank you. So let me check the computer, just make sure we don't have. Alright, the tornado warning for parts of Henry County got expired. But one more time before we send you right back, this is a strong sail. This will go through 415 for parts of South Central Henry County. So 2-inch hail and 60 miles of wind. So we'll check in for hail one more time. And you can see very large hail with the severe thunderstorm warning right here. So you definitely want to be indoors. Stay away from the windows. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes in effect about 4:15 for parts of Henry County. And we'll put the last frame in, and you can just see what it could do. It doesn't look like a very large hailstorm up there, so that's one thing we do have to watch. Rotation is still not there. Let me check the text and see if they didn't add anything about a tornado threat. So they don't. So we will continue to watch this. The tornado warning has expired. Other storms could pop up today. This in the daytime heating, especially up here by Bronson area. This is up here by Newman area. This storm up here is having a history of producing not a history, but 60% of coming severe. So let me put a track on. Rotation doesn't look that bad, but this is a warm and soupy day. In this type of environment, you can get any storm severe really quickly. So this is something we have to watch. Hail is going to be likely with this, about 60%. So we will continue to break in as we have advisories come across. I'm senior forecaster, vice forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Illinois Stormwatch Weather Center. We will continue to keep you updated.